Good morning, everyone. It's Friday morning. It's Simon Holden here for Holden's Horses and Sports. It's the 8th of January, and it is seriously cold out there today. But here's the great news. I do have a free bet for you. It's a footy bet this morning in the FA Cup, and I have two double shots that I am mega confident about that go this afternoon after 4 p.m. So it's plenty of time to get involved. I know it's a strange day's racing with all these jumpers, bumpers, and things like that. Try saying that when you've had a few. And on the subject of having a few, I'll be back this afternoon after 5 o'clock. I'm going to open up the sports bar for the first time in 2021. Now, some of you, like me, will be on dry January. So if you want to come along and have a herbal tea, put some ice and lemon in, or a Diet Coke that works. I know it's going to be a barrel of laughs, isn't it? But what I will do is I'll have a free Lucky 15 for Saturday's TV racing. So do give me a thumbs up if you want to get involved in that. We've had winners, we've had places at 80 to 1, we've had 12 to 1, 6 to 1, big winners. Friday Sports Bar, let's kick it off for 2021. And do me a favor, like and share the video to anyone you know who likes a punt. And let's get them involved, and let's get together and have a big free Lucky 15 tomorrow on the TV races. And let's do some bookmaker damage. Now, the double shots are very strong today. We've had up to 25 to 1 double this week. So do get involved. I know it's a strange day's racing, but I've got some very strong information for two races today. And that's what double shot is. It's info. A lot of the rating stuff, a lot of the things that I work out and the people that I work with, they'll come more into play when the jumps comes back and when things settle down. But for now, it really is all about info, particularly in the sand racing. You have to know when they are off and when it is the day. And I believe very strongly the people I've heard from that today is the day for these two horses. So please do get involved at the link below. 4.95. The horses are there now and ready to send. So get stuck in. Now, I am at the football. Well, we're not anywhere, are we, at the moment? It's only a picture, but I do think there's a cracking bet in tonight's FA Cup tights live on BT Sport. And it is the Wolves and Crystal Palace game. Now, Wolves have been a very strong side for a couple of years, but this year they look a bit tired. They've got a lot of injuries, and I do think Crystal Palace at 3 to 1 under Roy Hodgson there are an exceptional bet tonight. So 3 to 1 with Bet365. Palace won last time. They have goals. They've had a much better season than the last couple of years, and I think Roy could be smiling at the end of excuse me, don't worry, it's just a cold. That Roy could be smiling at the end. If I'm not at the sports bar, you'll know that well, what the hell, it's been fun knowing you. So 3 to 1 I think is exceptional value. I think this is a very tight game. And also, Wolves, will they take the cup that seriously? I'm not so sure. They've got a lot of injuries, so I do think Palace have got the upper hand in a few things tonight. And I think 3 to 1 is exceptional value. I've given them a 9 to 4 shot myself. So 3 to 1 and 9 to 4 shots, we got to play. Now, I'll be back with the sports bar this afternoon. Really excited. All about the big Saturday. Let's hope and pray that the Welsh National Meeting is on and that Kempton, it's Lanzarote Day, that wonderful island in the North Atlantic. No, it's not named after that, you Wallies. It's Lanzarote, the great hurdler in the 80s. A mistake I made, and many others. I used to think they'd all be there sponsoring the tour reps and everything. It's nothing to do with the island, but it is very likely to be on Kempton tomorrow. We want Chepstow to be on. So let's hit that sports bar after 5 o'clock. Give me a thumbs up. But for now, you've got a good bet there. I expect Palace to be bet today, and I don't think that 3 to 1 will hold. So take it with Bet365. Get on the double shots. We'll have 4 free racing bets this afternoon. And I know it's gloomy. I know it's cold. I know we're all in lockdown, but let's make it a Saturday to remember. And with double shot, let's make it a Friday to remember. I'll see you this afternoon. Take it easy.